Can you come under the table and come see Mama? Come on. Come on under. Yeah, hi. Is that your own personal tunnel? It's like a tunnel, isn't it? It's like a tunnel. Yay. Yeah. The hard part's getting all turned around so you'll fit through the tunnel. Can you do it? Can you do it? Hi. Aww. You come through? Yeah, come through the tunnel. Can you turn around? Go turn around. Come see us. Come on. I think it's going to be hard to catch her doing it. Gotta back up a little bit and turn. Yeah. Yeah. Mm.